Hi, I'm Mary Kelly, Professor of Office Administration at Pasco Hernando State College, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign on to Google Drive, and then we're going to explore around a little bit with the Google Drive and Google Docs. I'm going to show you how to create an original Google Doc. So after you type in www.google.com/drive and hit enter, you will get this screen. Now this video, we assume that you've already registered for a Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Go to Google Drive. If you've already registered, it'll either come up and it'll tell you to type in your email address that you signed on with, or it will just automatically show it to you. On my computer, it automatically shows it to me, so all I have to do is type in my password. And then I sign in. Once I sign in, it doesn't matter whether I'm home or whether I'm at the college or whether I'm somewhere else, whether I'm sitting in Burger King, whatever. As long as I have access to the internet, then I can get out to all of my files. I save all of my files that pertain to my work at the college on my Google Drive. That's pretty much what I use it for. So all of these are folders. This little folder right here, I'll open it. It says Class Blogs. This is where, for this semester, I'm putting all of the files that pertain to my class blogs that I do for you. This class blog is this one right here up at the top. This is the one I have for business communications. And what I use my blogs for is my whole course is set up in Canvas. And when you open up Canvas, on the home page, you see a list of everything that you have to do in my course. Most everything is open and you can just go right through the course, except if you're in the business communications class, you cannot do the team assignments ahead of time or behind time. You've got to do them when everybody's working on the team assignments, because everybody's got to be collaborating and doing the work in the same time frame. It's not something that I can let you do ahead of time or behind time. I can give you extra time to do individual work, which I will be doing that up until November the 25th. However, and you can work ahead on those quizzes and everything, but you can't work ahead or you can't be behind on the team assignments because of the way you have to collaborate with each other in order to do a team writing project. Anyway, as we go through the course and questions come up and I need to give you extra instruction that's not in the exact course, I post everything out here on what I call a team blog. A class blog. And all of you need to be reading this. And if I post videos out here, it's a good idea if you look at them if you're having issues. So, for example, for this first project that we just did, some people, as we got into the teams, they didn't know what team they were on. Well, I had sent an email out and then I had said, this is your team list, and then I put the link here for the team list, and then all you had to do was go to the blog, and it just automatically pops up who's on the team. And then everybody who's on the team, all your names are here and everything. So that's where that is. And I also have noted on that your team leaders, and if that changes throughout this course, you'll still be able to go out to that same page, and when I update that page, it automatically is updated. As long as you have that link, you can keep getting in there to see what I've done. Now, I'm going to click on this little button up here at the top. It's going to bring back documents that I've done, but the view I really like to look in is I like to click on Docs up here. I like to go to my Drive, because then I can see all of my folders, and I like to start from here. So let's say that I'm getting ready to do the Module 4, Team 4 project. I'm going to set up a separate folder for that, so I'm going to click on New, Folder, And then I'm going to make a folder, and I'm going to pretend like I am in Team 4. Team 4, Module 4. Now, anything that I do that pertains to Team 4, Module 4, I'm going to put it in this folder. Now, let's say that I am the team leader, and I'm putting together a document to send out to all of the students who are on the team so that we can all proofread that particular document. I need to create a new document, so I go New, I go down to Google Docs, and I'm going to click up here and I'm going to title this as Team 4 Module 4 Writing Assignment. Then what I need to do is I need to go in here and I need to type. Well, I am actually in real time going to just set this up for Team 4. So I've set this up. It automatically is saving it. I'm going to click up here and it's going to say share. I'm going to set this up so that I have to click on advanced. I have to actually click on advanced. And it goes up here to where right now it's set to where I'm the only one that can access this. I'm going to click on change. And I'm going to say anyone with this link can change this document. And then I'm going to set it to where everybody can edit it. They can not only comment on it, they can also edit it. And then I'm going to click on save. Okay, now that I've done that, see, I've got it to where anyone with the link can edit this document. I'm going to take this link here, and you can't see me do it, but I'm holding down the control key on the keyboard and I'm lightly tapping the C. That copies that link into the memory of the computer so that I can then go back and this link, I'm going to go Control V. I'm just going to put the link right there. And at the top of this document, I'm going to call it the link to this file. Okay, so anyone who has this file can go in here and they can edit this file. And I'm going to call it Module 4, Team 4 Writing Assignment. Okay, anybody on Team 4 can go in here and just type in this document, or they can go in and make changes to it. And I'll show you in a separate video how I do the changes and everything. I'm not going to show this to you there, but this is the way you go in and you make comments, you make edits and all of that stuff. Now, if I just wanted to comment though on this, I'll just tell you real quick. I could click on comments and I could say comment. See how it came up with my picture and who I am over here? That's because I'm logged in to my account. If you're not logged into your account and you go in to make comments on a file that somebody sent to you, then it's going to show up here and it's going to say anonymous. So what you're going to need to do for the purposes of this class is you're going to need to go in there and you're going to need to set this so that you are logged into your account when you're making the comments. And I'm going to say good start. And I'm going to click on comment. Okay, and then other people who have this link, they can go in there and make changes to this file and everything as well. But I'm going to end this presentation right here. I'll come back on another presentation. I'll show you how to make a lot more about how to edit it.